In this video, I'll be going over how to graph inequalities on the number line. The important part we want to understand about how to graph on a number line is one, we need to watch out for how we graph the dot. If it's a solid dot like so, it means that it will include the number. And if it's an open circle, it means that it does not include the number. So for the first example, we have y is greater than 8. When y is greater than 8, without the equal sign, it means that the variable y has to be greater than 8. It cannot be exactly 8, it has to be greater. So on the number line below, this has to be an open dot. And since y is greater than 8, so we will go this direction, as it needs to be greater than 8. For the second example, we have x is less than or equal to 5. Now notice there's an equal sign here, it means that x can also be 5. So that means that it includes the number and needs to be a solid dot. So the 5 is here, so we'll make a solid dot. It needs to be less or equal to 5, so we will go this direction. And that's the answer for the second example. Now for the third example, we have the numbers and the variable reversed, but they work exactly the same way. It says that t is less than or equal to -4. So we have the equal sign, so we know it needs to be solid, and it has to be less than -4. -4 is right here, and we need to place a solid dot. And it needs to be less than -4, so we will go this direction, as it's less. So make sure that when it's greater than, we go toward the right. And when it's negative, we go toward the left. Now for the fourth example, we have w is greater than 12. Now this one doesn't have the equal sign, so it has to be an open dot. And 12 is here, so the open dot. And w has to be greater than 12, which means we're going this direction, greater than. So these four are examples of how you would graph inequalities on the number line. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.